mama used to clean up for you, okay? And now that you come and staying with me and spend the night with me, I see what's really going on. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So y'all, I just woke up. I'm in a really good space and a really good mood today. I was just reading some of you guys comments from what's today? Today is Thursday. From Sunday's vlog, and I just really appreciate you guys giving me feedback, giving me insight. And girl, y'all got me excited over here. Everybody is like, I feel an engagement coming soon. And I'm just like, girl, y'all hyping me up. Y'all got me hyped over here. Like, I'm getting excited. Like, I had a few people to say that. So y'all hyping me up. I'm excited. I am really excited because I feel it too. And I always talk to babe mom, y'all. I literally, let me not talk so loud because Kayson's in there doing his schoolwork. But y'all, I talk to babe's mom like almost every day. We talk quite often, but we actually talked yesterday, and like, I don't know, like she be throwing me hints, like, but I'm not a person, like I like surprises, so I don't want it to be ruined for me. And I want it to be done when I least expect it. But like, she be beating around the bush, but and we talked on the phone yesterday, y'all, for like a whole hour. I just finished my Google Meet with my kids, doing the video chat that I normally do every morning. Y'all see this huge bump on my face? Like, Mom, my birthday is in like a week, huh?
You put so many stuff in there.
You can't finish it all? No. It's okay, baby. Just leave it there. I'll get it. Finish your schoolwork. Go sit down. Close the door back. But yeah, y'all, Kayson said, hey vlog. But yeah, like I was saying, my birthday is in like a week. Today is Thursday. My birthday is on a Friday, y'all. My birthday is next Friday, so January the 22nd is my birthday. Babe and I and my family will probably go to dinner Friday, which is the actual day of my birthday, and then Saturday is when babe got the party bus for me. I'm so excited. Like, he was just showing me videos like of him and his friends when they get party buses and stuff, and it's a little different because of COVID. They're not allowing as many people to get on the bus, but I kind of made it like a couples thing. So it's me and him, my sister and her soon-to-be husband, his sister and her boyfriend, his friends, and their wives or fiancés or girlfriends. So I kind of made it like a couples thing, so we can kind of switch it up, you know, have fun, drink good, eat good, all of that. I don't think I'm gonna have food though, because babe was just like, that's just extra work. He was like, babe said y'all ass better eat for y'all come. That's what he said. So I was like, okay, we just gonna have drinks. We'll probably go to dinner or something that day, and then we'll have the party bus after that. But y'all, I hope this bump is going off my face. I have been trying to not mess with it. I've been trying to get a lot better at not picking at my skin, so that my skin can actually heal and get back to how it used to be. I'm telling y'all, like, when I was in like high school, before I started wearing makeup, I had the prettiest skin, y'all. But now that I started wearing makeup, I'm a lot older, and I hopped on the bandwagon of trying too many products because of the hype. But now I'm just playing it safe. I'm just sticking to what works for me, what I'm used to. If it ain't broke, sis, don't fix it. And I'm learning that. Y'all, I got on this DIY headband wig. This is actually like an old wig, and I just put like a headband from the Dollar Tree on it. I did my baby hairs. Yes, ma'am. I'm looking cute. This is just like a throw-on wig because I didn't actually want to do my hair probably until Wednesday or Thursday of next week, because I want my hair to be fresh for my birthday. So a lot of talking in this intro, huh? But anyways, that's what this vlog is about. I don't have much to do today, y'all. I'm gonna pick up Kayson's report card. I'm sure he has really good grades, A's and B's, because I don't play, sis, okay? I gotta do some laundry. I gotta get rid of some clothes. I feel like I do a spring clean at least once a month, y'all, because I buy so much shit, like so many clothes, and I have so many clothes with tags on it, y'all, shoes, and baby just like, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. You gotta do better. But he be supporting my bad habit too, and he be like, just get it, just get both of them. I'm like, okay, you gotta tell me twice. But anyways, yeah, like I'm giving away some more stuff, y'all, and then I said I wasn't gonna order anything for my birthday. But I was on Forever 21 website 12 o'clock in the morning ordering shit. I ordered 3 pairs of shoes. Or was it 2? Okay, I'm coming, baby. 2 pairs of shoes and 2 dresses. Let me go see what Kayson teacher is talking about. Come on, let's go see. So y'all, I got some stuff in the mail today. So my doorbell just rang. These are Babe's Timberland boots. He's actually on the way down here now. And then I also got some stuff in here. Let me show y'all. I gotta go to Walgreens, you guys. I'm gonna use this 20% off. What's today? Isn't it expired yet? No, it's not expired yet. We good to go. So let me turn around and talk to y'all about this. So basically, sis got hemorrhoids. Okay, so y'all pray for me. Like, I don't know what was happening this morning. I called my doctor. We did a virtual appointment, and sis said I got hemorrhoids. So I have to go. She prescribed me some type of suppository, TMI, y'all. But look here, this is daily life. And I feel like when I share certain things, I feel like I not only can help someone else, but you guys can also help me and give me advice on things that I'm going through, or things that I'm feeling, all of that. So yeah, I have to go to Walgreens, get some Miralax, because she told me to get Miralax, and then also pick up my prescription from Publix. And then I also got some new teas. Sips By sent me some new teas. So let's see what we got. I know I'm super talkative in this vlog, but I mean, that's what y'all want to see, right? I hope so. So these are the January teas. I already peeked in here and saw what I got. Hold on one second. So they sent me this strawberry tea. It's actually a black tea. It's probably just strawberry flavor. That's probably going to be really good. This right here, sis, this is what I'm excited about. This caramel vanilla tea. It's a black base tea with vanilla and caramel. Oh my god, y'all. And y'all, I love to have caramel frappes and stuff like that from like Starbucks, girl, Dunkin' Donuts, girl, McDonald's, anywhere. So I'm excited to try that, so I won't have all the extra sugar and stuff that comes with those things. And then this is just a ginger mint tea, organic ginger mint. What else the 3 they sent me? Oh, and they sent me one more. Masala blends, salsa, girl, I don't know. It's a chai tea. And then they also send me, it should be a bag or something in there, because this is loose leaf tea. And I also got some contacts, oh shoot, from this company. I haven't even opened it. Oh, it's already open. So the brand is TTD, wait a second, TTDEye. Candy, no, it does. The packaging does look like candy, doesn't it? It's kind of cute. So yeah, I got some contacts, and this is perfect, you guys, because you guys know that I just got a new prescription for my glasses. Are you okay? Goodness gracious, he's so dramatic. Oh my god, y'all. But so they sent me over 4 new pair of contacts. Like, the package, it's the packaging for me, sis. Like, look how cute this is. And I guess the contacts are inside of these things. I like how everything is wrapped up. I'm sure it's probably gonna be really, really sanitized. Oh, these are just the y'all know what I'm trying to say. And then the contacts are underneath them. So I'm gonna try these on hopefully later in this vlog, so you guys can see what they actually look like on my eyes. Good morning, you guys. So today is Friday. Today is Friday. Y'all see the pimple? It done popped. It popped. And it's really red right now. I probably need to put like some type of cortisone or something like that on it, because it's really red right now. And I'm not really wearing makeup until my birthday, which is next week. So that'll give it enough time to heal and everything like that. Y'all, I just woke up, just got out the shower, did my whole little body care routine. I do it on Fridays and I do it on Tuesdays. So anyways, I'm getting ready to make breakfast. I promised Kayson last night that I would make him pancakes. I'm like, why does my face feel so tight? It's because I forgot to put my moisturizer on. Hopefully I don't look too ashy, sis. But anyways, he wanted chocolate and syrup pancakes with bacon. So that's what we having for breakfast today. And I may make myself an egg or something like that, just so I can have a little bit of protein while I'm standing right here where I keep my vitamins. Let me go ahead and take my vitamins, sis. This is our breakfast, you guys. Just bacon and pancakes. This one's Kayson as requested with his chocolate, y'all. And we're just gonna have this. I should have had us like some oranges or some strawberries or something, but I didn't think about it, and I'm ready to eat this. So we just finished eating breakfast. It was really good. Sometimes I debate on if I should actually show you guys me cooking and the process and everything, but sometimes I don't know if you guys want to see that. And then sis is no chef, so it's nothing spectacular that I do. You know, I'm no chef, sis. I'm not a super healthy eater, none of that. But I guess sometimes when I feel like I'm in the mood to do a little bit more, sis, and be a little bit more creative when I'm filming and editing, then that's when I do it, I guess. So yeah, I'm just chilling right now. I think it's like, what time is it? It's almost 12 o'clock. Kayson is going with his dad today. I think maybe about 2:33 because I have an appointment for the entire weekend actually. So I'm kid free. I'm ready to go. What are we doing? But anyways, I have a wax appointment at 3:30 today, so he's gonna go with his dad for the weekend. I also have some other stuff on my agenda, you guys. Like I need to do my floors, like my hardwood floors, the kitchen and the living room. I need to mop them. I already vacuumed them. Like cleaning for me, y'all, like I had been like, when was that, Wednesday? I think I vacuumed all the carpets. Thursday I mopped the floors, sweep and mop the floors, the bathrooms. I didn't do yeah, I did sweep and mop all the floors. I did, but besides the kitchen, sorry if I'm being confusing, besides the kitchen and the living room. And then today I woke up this morning, I cleaned the toilets, the tubs, the counters, light switches, fixtures, all of that stuff. And the only thing I have to do is clean the glass left. Whew, I'm like, I need a break. I gotta clean the glass and just do the floors in the kitchen and living room like I just told y'all. And I need to clean Kayson's tub out too. I'm trying to get him more involved in cleaning, because me and my sister, it was so funny, y'all. We was just talking when I was eating breakfast. I was FaceTiming her and we was just talking how growing up, my mom, she did not play, y'all. Like Saturday morning when we heard the music going, she had the music blasting loud, waking us up. We got up and cleaned up. Like every Saturday was a cleanup day. And it was a lot easier because it was like more than one person cleaning up. But sometimes I have to clean up in increments, sis, like day by day by day, because it's just like if I do all that shit in one day, I can do it because I've done it before. But sometimes it could be a little bit of a stretch. It can be a little bit of a hassle for me. So I've been trying to teach Kayson how to clean his toilet, how to wipe the counters off and stuff like that, because I need help. Y'all, having babe here, like it feels like I have two kids, a grown man kid and a little kid, because y'all know men, they don't care. They put their stuff everywhere, y'all. They are not like us women at all. So he's at my house more than I'm at his house. So I be like, look, you gotta get your shit, you gotta clean up. Because I be like, oh, y'all, it be driving me crazy. I be like, I got two kids. Even when I was talking to his mom the other day, she was like, I know you feel like you got two boys. I was like, yes, I do. Lord have mercy. Let me find out your mama used to clean up for you, okay? And now that you come and staying with me and spend the night with me, I see what's really going on. Let me find out. Y'all, men are so funny. Y'all know how when you first meet them, they want to make sure the house clean and all of that. Oh, please. When you get to know them and it gets months and months and months and you really get to be like, nah, dog, you ain't even that clean. I don't even know what we have planned for today. We probably just like chilling around the house. Honestly, I'll call her back. So yeah, we'll probably just chill around the house. I don't really have nothing planned. I'm thinking about trying this Jamaican restaurant. I don't even want to say for lunch because it's already lunchtime. Like Jamaican oxtails or some jerk chicken, curry chicken. Just in case I don't go today, y'all comment down below. Y'all comment down below and let me know your favorite African, Haitian, Jamaican dish. Cause I'm trying to figure out the difference between curry chicken and jerk chicken. So y'all let me know, because I know I like oxtails. Oxtails are really good. So, and then I'm also thinking about stopping by this cheesecake place. I guess it's like a small business. It's a small business. I'm sure they're both black owned, which is a plus. So yeah, I'm probably going to try the cheesecake. They make all kind of cheesecake there, y'all. Like everything she be having be looking so damn good. All right, y'all, let me chill because I just be going on and on and on and just talking. I'm about to watch some vlogs and I'll see y'all in a minute. So y'all, baby and I are getting ready to go head to Georgia. So I am going with him to work again. If you guys have been watching my vlogs, y'all know the last time I went to work with him. But we're going up here just for a day. We're coming back tomorrow. I was like, I'll go only if you take me to dinner. And I'm starving. I'm hungry. I can't wait to eat. You wanna say what's up, babe? All y'all do is say hey. They can hear you.
Hey y'all. It's kind of rough right now, you know what I'm saying?
You talking about he look kind of rough right now. He don't want to be on camera. When I turn the camera on, he like. I'm like, okay, I got it. I got it. Y'all, like, oh my God, my skin. Last time we went up here, y'all, we went to a bar. Babe said that we weren't going to a bar this time, and I dared him to try to play me because I didn't have on makeup the last time, and I didn't bring any makeup with me this time. I just bought a moisturizer and eyebrows. That's it. So, hopefully he don't try to play me and finesse me. But I didn't care because, I mean, when you out of town, y'all, and nobody knows you anyway, it's kind of like, I don't care, you know? But, you know, when you in your city, you want to be looking good. You want to be looking snatched. But anyways, y'all, we getting ready to get on the road. I'll probably talk to you guys once we make it. And once we're headed to dinner. We just made it. It is now 9 o'clock here in Georgia. Y'all, I'm ready to just eat. I want something good and hearty. I want a steak or either a burger. I guess we'll see what's open because it's already 9. I know everything is closing early because of COVID. So at this point, I am starving. I am just ready to go get some food so I can come back and lay up with my man and cuddle up because it is cold as hell outside. But anyways, my camera is dying. We did not stop by the house to get an extra battery. So I will see you guys in my next vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are not subscribed, sis, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. I love y'all so much. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.